Why did it wait till it got to our house to do that shit?
Because it knows you guys have homeowner insurance.
Oh my God, would you look at that? It's backing up.
I'm telling you, it really wants your guys'
Lane, look
house.
at this. Laney, come look at this. I got Mom in the basement.
What is that? What is that little white thing? Do you see that? Like floating,
Yeah,
like.
I think it's a bird. There was a bird in there.
Oh, you poor bird. Look at something cool. Suck it in.
Man, it's
Look at this.
closer to the ground.
That's why I say it's coming our way. It's not even going away from us.
Man,
Maybe we should get in the basement.
yeah, we'll miss it then.
As long as I can.
Cool. It's right with those people's house over there, Rita's house.
Mom wants her sweatshirt. Her windows are down. Here, you film.
She's not very smart.
Hey, it's recording.
Look at that.
Oh, it's a piece of
Yeah, it's like a plastic bag.
plastic. Giant rubber.
It's going away from us now, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it circles back around.
Keep blowing it away.
Yeah, there's not enough energy behind it to do it.
Thank God. Does seem like it's going away now, though, doesn't it? The calm before the storm.
What's that?
It's calm before the storm again.
Yeah, but it's going away from it. You know, it is the 21st of May.
Yeah, I know.
Is it 5 o'clock yet?
I've heard a lot of people say that.
Is it past 5?
Yeah, it's past 5 though, right?
What does that mean?
The world was supposed to come to an end at 5 o'clock.
The world's going to end at 6 o'clock Eastern time today.
I thought that was 2012, guys.
No, this is a different dude.
Well, at least we survived one. Now we got next.
I'm more worried about next year than I am this year.
Me too. Them dang Mayans, I wish they could have counted higher. Really put a damper on Maya.
Hold on to your hat. That's just.
Paul Anderson's coming your way.
It's getting wider. No, this right here. Go check on Mom. So's mine.
Hey.
Hey.
This was our survival of tornado number